Welcome back from that short break. We shall continue our discussion on types of demand. We shall recall the types of demand discussed earlier. A. Competitive demand. B. Joint or complementary demand. C. Composite demand. We shall continue from there. This refers to the total or aggregate demand for a commodity which has several uses, so that an increase in the demand for one product leads to a fall in the supply of the other. The composite demand for timber is made of separate demand for making furniture, paper, and building houses. Rubber for making shoes, belts, and raincoats. Milk for making cheese, butter, and yogurt. And land for farming or building houses. The effects of an increase in demand for a product that has a composite demand. Composite demand for a product such as timber that has several uses for making furniture and building houses. An increase in demand for timber in building of houses will result to a fall in the supply of timber in the furniture industry, as timber is a composite product that has lots of several uses. This can be illustrated in the diagram below. 3A, timber for building house. 3B, timber for furniture. An increase in demand for timber for building houses will result to a fall in supply of timber in furniture industry, as indicated in the diagram 3A and 3B above. Derive demand. This is the demand for a commodity which is not needed for direct satisfaction, but rather for the production of other goods. For example, the demand for labor and other factors of production helps to produce other goods and services. It is a demand which is influenced on the basis of final or intermediate products. We want to take some questions together now. Use such question at home as a practice question. 1. Using the appropriate example, explain the following types of demand. A. Competitive demand. B. Joint or complementary demand. C. Composite demand. D. Derived demand. In answering such question, ensure that you use the appropriate examples for each type of demand, and also ensure that your example is more than one. 2. Mention two effects of decrease and increase in price of joint commodity on demand. 3. Mention two effects of increase and decrease in the price of Coca-Cola on demand. I hope these questions are clear. Ensure you practice them at home. Remain blessed. God bless you. Welcome back